everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer and I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are doing a giveaway at 300 subscribers and right now we are so stinking close to it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. This is a more weird holiday look. All I could think about when I wanted to sit down and film today was a blue Christmas, having like the holiday blues, and I wanted to play onto that. So plus I've been saying since I got this that I wanted to play with the blues that were in the mini controversy palette, excuse me. And of course I had to use its big sister, the conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get on into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and let's jump into it. Alright, so we're going to start off with our skin primed and we're going to quickly put some concealer over our eyes and we're going to blend this out. So now I'm just going to take Canceled out of the Mini Controversy palette, which is this pretty aquamarine shade. And we're just gonna place this in our crease. I'm trying to make sure, I got a new mirror and when I have it right in front of me you guys can see it like really bad, and I'm trying to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing but also that I can see what I'm doing. You can be pretty messy with this. We just really want to get that color down and I am blowing it out a little more than I normally would. And I'm actually, even though it's a shimmer, I want to go in with the Simulation, which is a darker, more royal blue. Let's see if that can help. Yeah, that's helping. And now to soften the edges, I'm going to go into the regular Conspiracy palette and I'm going to take What's the Tea, which is this pale, almost green shade, and just buff over the edges with it a little bit. I might have blended that a little high. We're gonna fix it, don't worry. So it's actually a pretty straightforward look, I feel. I'm going to take the ColourPop Fair 00 concealer, which is just solid white, and I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm gonna add the winged out look. The important thing to remember when you try to do this wing shape is you really just want that top to have the cut. The bottom doesn't really matter. We can kind of fudge that. Yeah. And now I'm going to take a mix of Diet Cola and Ranch, which is a white with silver reflect and a silver shimmer shade. I'm mainly going to focus on Diet Cola though. Okay, so that is all Diet Cola. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of Ranch and focus it in the center. And then, I don't like how that's going. I'm going to go in with Canceled again, which was that first blue we took. And just kind of carve out this crease a little more. And then I recommend using makeup wipe, but I don't have them in here with me. I'm going to attempt to clean this up a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to hop off really quickly and do the other eye, catch up to what we've done over here, and put on my face makeup, and then we will come back and finish this makeup look, which is going way faster than I anticipated. But watch, as soon as I come back, it's gonna be hellaciously long. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'll be back. Alright, so we are back. This eye did not go as smoothly as this eye, but we are about to fix it, so it's okay. I don't know why I feel the need to tell you guys every time I film and Ellie is home that she's not like in the other room by herself, that James is with her, but she's not in there alone. James is with her. The highlight I have on my cheeks and my nose and like all around my face, which is just like, oh my god, so pretty, is definitely Ranch out of this palette. And I'm also going to take Ranch and apply to my inner corners and under my brow bones, just to give a little separation between the blue and my brow, because your girl carried that blue up a little high. Did not mean to. For the lower lash line, I'm going to throw stuff. I'm going to take a fluffier defining brush, lining brush, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to take Canceled, which is that original blue. And you really want to make sure you tap out your excess so you don't get fallout now that we have our face done. I'm going to smoke this down pretty far. Okay, and I also decided to take Canceled, that blue, and follow it up the shape of our eyeshadow. And now with a thinner defining brush, I'm going to go into the Conspiracy palette and hit myself in the face almost. I'm going to take my right here, which is just the black in the palette, and I'm going to go pretty close to the lash line. Okay, so now that we're here, I'm going to quickly hop off of screen again. I'm going to tightline my eyes using the NYX retractable eyeliner in black. I'm going to add a wing with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in ultra black. And then we're going to do a few coats of mascara on the top and bottom. And I'm going to be using these lashes. I haven't tried these yet, obviously. These are the Kiss Ever Easy lashes in 01. These don't have a name, so my child is having a full-blown meltdown. So I will be right back, hopefully. Okay, so we're back. These lashes are not really thick. They're just so long, like, they're huge. They're very, very long. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but they're very, very long and fluttery and wispy, and I'm digging it. I'm just not used to the length yet. So now to finish off this look, we're going to pair it with a nude lip today. You can of course branch out, do whatever kind of lip you want to do, but I feel like these eyes are demanding the attention of the look. So sorry, my band is like poking me. That ain't good. Anyway, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Mannequin, his velour liquid lip, and then I'm going to be pairing Buxom's White Russian over top of it. So let's get that done. That is it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a super easy, fun, festive look. This isn't like your traditional Christmas look. I do have one of those planned with more traditional Christmas colors and a little more avant-garde. Why can't I talk? But I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am doing a giveaway at 300 subscribers, and we are so stinking close to it. I will have some other videos from my channel and my Instagram linked down below in case you guys want to check any of that stuff out. So yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye!